Good evening. Welcome to the Music Cave. Today I have a short topic, and it's sticking saxophone pads. There's lots of little tricks that you can do. My favorite trick is a silk swab trick, which is just like the dollar bill trick, except I use a silk swab, the same swab that I use to swab the inside of my saxophone. And I'm just going to give a quick demonstration, and that'll be it for the video. So stand by and let's get to it. Okay, so this particular horn, I've already done the G sharp key, so we're going to pick a different key. I'm going to go ahead and just pick the high D because it's making noise and you can hear it sticking. And so the thing is, when you pull these through, you got to be careful because there are little corks under the keys that if you did the wrong thing, you could knock a cork off. So just be really aware. Look around the surrounding of the key and make sure there's no corks or anything that you could knock off. Maybe snag a key and bend it. You don't want to force anything through if something catches. So it's a gentle process. So I'm going to push that key open. I'm just going to use the palm of my hand, and then that way I have my my fingers free to get it under the key. And you can see I've got it all the way under the key like that. And then I'll try to use the entire swab, the entire length of the swab if I can, if it doesn't pull out early, but I think there's a joke there. Okay, so here we go. Let's keep this kid friendly, please. So yeah, and you can pull all the way through. I kind of just released the swab early, but let's see. No sticking. E flat sticking. So you can do the same thing to all the pads. Another big thing is just swabbing the horn out when you're done, because that'll pull moisture out that could get trapped on the pads and then dry out with whatever is in the moisture, which if you haven't brushed your teeth or at least drink a big glass of water, it could be a lot of things. Anyways, that's it for today. Hopefully that was short enough, and hopefully that helps you out. Please let me know what you think. If you have any other tips, tricks in the comments below. I really like that tip. I'm a repairman, and that's something that seems to work well without having to take the key off, replace the pad, clean the tone hole, especially if the pad's still in good shape besides a sticking issue. So yeah, thanks again.